Hi, everybody. Just wanted to check in this week and kind of review some things as we move forward in week 7. And obviously, this class is coming to an end as we get to the holiday season. And I look forward to seeing you guys next week on Wednesday. But wanted to kind of talk a little bit about, some of the videos that are out there and the changes to education as we look at them. It's really challenging times in the sense of we are reestablishing what the new norm looks like for students and parents. There's some differing ideas about what discipline looks like on school campuses. And I think we're seeing some of the results of that across the nation with school violence continuing. And I don't think that's going away until we start to change how we view student engagement and what we're doing on campus. Those are just my views. Those are kind of conversations to have as we are face to face. But I did want to spend some time just looking at the signature assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. And I do want to give you some leeway as to how you want to go about this. But if you need extra time, don't worry, just let me know. But here is, the signature assignment that's due on Sunday. And so it is a hypothetical scenario. You can use a real life situation or you can make one up, but I just want to go over some key points. This 3rd grade student's unruly behavior, if you're more of a middle school person, feel free to change that. Or if you're a high school person, you can do that there. But I can tell you that this actual assignment is really, really good to use in regards to an interview. I just finished a round of interviews in which we interviewed 15 people for one position. There were 60 applicants, but screening through some of the information and some of the questions that we ask are much like as a teacher thinking about classroom management. Well, this is the piece for counselors, right? How do you effectively support student success and the academic learning environment for your students? So thinking about unruly behavior, what's your role in it? And how can we find a solution to positively affect the learning of that child? So teachers asking for your advice, and you're to pull up 4 research studies and find things that work for you as far as best practices concerning what you can share with her. And then 3 unsuccessful interventions which have been attempted in the past for this particular student. The big one though is how you collaborate with the teacher and or an administrator, right? To kind of work on this. You want to use the APA guidelines. And again, use this rubric. I would expect all of you to be exemplary. So I would use this last column here where my mouse is kind of circling to guide your work. Remember, take a risk, use substance over form when doing with this, and share your heart about what you believe and what you think. Okay. And as always, you can reach out to me should you have any questions whatsoever. Let me reshare that for 1 second here. And the big thing, when we talk about it's 4 to 5 pages, I do count it could be longer than that if you want, but the substance should be 3 to 4 pages along with your references and your title page. Okay. So any questions or concerns, please, please give me a call if you need anything, and I'm looking forward to seeing all of you next week, and talk to you later. Bye-bye.